Self-defense isn't about picking a fight. Self-defense is about protecting yourself and placing yourself in a safer position.
One of the best ways to stay safe is to stay alert. I always heard that talking on your phone while walking down the street was safer because it looked like you were talking to somebody that would be there to call the police, when in reality that's just distracting and you won't be as alert as you could be otherwise. Don't wear headphones or talk on the phone while walking down the street.
Attackers look for unique details in their victims, things that will make them easier to grab, things like ponytails, crossbody bags, baggy clothes, or anything easy to take off. You always want to avoid being approached, if possible. And most importantly, you want to be able to get away from someone before the second location becomes a possibility.
Oftentimes when people are telling you how to protect yourself on the streets, they'll tell you to keep your keys between your fingers. This isn't a bad idea, but it only works in close quarters, and this often won't deter attackers because you have to get very close to them to be able to do anything with this as a weapon. Some better alternatives are umbrellas, canes, or walking sticks. If someone is following you on the street, try to make eye contact with them. When you walk by, or if they're behind you, turn around, look at them and say, "It's really weird weather we're having this week," or something like that, just to let them know that you've seen their face and that you could identify them in a lineup. If someone is ever harassing you and they begin to invade your personal space, put a hand up and say stop or no. This creates an invisible barrier that people often don't feel comfortable passing or stepping around, and it gives you a really easy way to walk away. One, two, three. This is like your proper punch. You always want to punch with your front two knuckles. And the best way to go about it is to kind of like twist into it. So so you're like kind of coming from like an upside down position, and then that way it always like pushes like these two knuckles forward.